Kuyinhokoto kimi namuhla maklabu ne-executive nebakafuthisi. Ngawusho ngalamakhulu namhlambe happiest chairman. Futhisi 25-20 season went 20 years asponsorisha ingaba. Kuyi milestone ke kithi sonke singaba Regional Football League chairman. Ndawukhotha i-incident mane umnyaka uyangilahlekela kwasha le-Abathule eHoward. Ngacela i-director beyama-Jotini United ngalenye ilanga ngathi asande siyothi sorry kubabe Dlamini i-director kafuthisi. Safika wasimukela ngesmile babe Dlamini. Sakhanza emamoto agcwele laba walayisha bayowalahla. Wasimukela ngesmile babe Dlamini egcineni wathi ngidawupresenta nalo nyaka. Kwaba into lehlalako la kimi in those years. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngilokunye lokusifikisela. Idlalile ke iligi yethu badlala kahle. Ema-case achubeka nencipha lathi ngakuthi ayolanyulwa ku-DC, which was good. I-competition yethu yaqala slow ku-both divisions A na B, but yabe seyiyashisa nasekufanele ishise, which is the second round. Kwagcina ke kuphuma i-champion both divisions. Lesingekayiva ukuthi lomunye kumbe uye kuyokhala kubo-DC ukuthi ngadliwa kahle. Lokusho ukuthi iligi yethu ihambe kahle, siyakubonga lokho. Kuba na futhi sikusisite ngendlela etiningi sinema-club asenkaba. Ngasatisa nje sponsor ukuthi emasizini langithula esisuka kuyo ema-champions asenkaba kude nje lena nje ayiketiwe to-defendwa namhlanje inkomishi abayidefendi lenkaba bayahamba bayeka Super League. Siyacela nama-Jotini Citizen alandele lolo nyaka angene ka-Super League. Ngalawa magama siyababonga abakafuthisi, siyacela ukuthi siba-support. Nje njengayithanga kumathapha ngaFebruary futhisi nabatshela labo sisi lapha ekhaya. It's because they are sponsoring Nkaba Regional Football League. Wathi Nkaba wangathi wathi wasesiteki ngathi yes Nkaba Regional Football League. Ngiyacela ama-club if you got something ebhaketheni lokuyimali supportani futhisi. The token of appreciation to futhisi ichamuka emaklabhini. One of the good days abanemhlangano enkaba kwaba ne-proposal ukuthi asisende something to appreciate futhisi. It's our lucky ke, it's our 20th season. Sina futhisi sesiyakhona ukuthi simpresent nale token of appreciation. Siyabonga.